What's up, the Team CD? I'm back with the part 2 of main canon theory. Begin this theory right now. Ok. Remember, tout ce qui est mis en vert veut dire que tout est canon. Mais why the spin-off canon is canon while the principal canon? Because every event appear in the spin-off canon exists in the principal canon. For example, every event is Sonic Riders exists in the main timeline. Just same like Mario Party and Mario Kart. And for crossover canon B, because every character exists in the same world. Donc, vu que chaque personnage existe dans le même univers, alors forcément que les événements existent. And for the alternative canon, yeah, it's an alternative canon, but this character can exist in the principal canon. For example, in Mario and Luigi Paper Jam, we can see Paper Mario in the principal canon. And every event for the alternative canon exists. And for the crossover canon C and fan game canon, it's just an alternative canon. Alright?
Mais pourquoi est-ce que tout ce qui se passe dans le fan game canon et crossover canon C sont canons avec le canon principal?
Blue, je vais te l'expliquer. Parce que le fan game canon crée un nouveau canon. Par exemple, for the Restart 2 and Restart 1, we have never seen a Restart 2 before, but in the fan game canon, Restart 2 exists. Same like Mother 4 and Sonic After the sequel. For true, the fan game canon is just alternative principal canon. C'est juste le canon principal mais modifié avec les fan games. And this fan game is probably canon what's the principal canon.
Oh, ok. Je ne voyais pas les choses sous cet angle. Allez, maintenant tu peux expliquer pour tout ce qui est mis en jaune.
Alright, let's begin. So yeah, just the crossover C canon is canon what's the fan game canon. Sinon, the fan game canon is not canon what's the principal canon and the spin-off canon and the alternative canon. Why? Because the fan game canon is another canon 1. For example, Restart 2 is not canon in the principal canon, but in the fan game canon is canon. Truly canon. Everything is happening in the fan game canon is canon in this canon. In the principal canon and spin-off canon, this is not canon. For example, Super Mario Bros. Z is not canon. What's the principal canon? Because it's a crossover C canon, and every event is Super Mario Bros. Z can exist in the same world, in the main canon and the alternative canon. And the crossover A canon, right, probably canon was the alternative canon, because the crossover E canon is just the crossover where every character can non-exist in the same world. So it's probably an alternative world, but I don't know. I don't know what this is true or this is not true. For me, the crossover canon 1 is an alternative world. Alright, let's continue. Right. Je ne sais pas si c'est nécessaire d'expliquer pourquoi le principal canon n'est pas canon avec le reboot canon et inversement. Ou même encore avec l'alternative canon. Je ne sais pas si j'ai besoin d'expliquer ça. The reboot canon is just a new canon 1. So everything is happening in the principal canon can non-exist in the reboot canon. Parce que le reboot canon efface tout ce qui s'est passé dans le principal canon. Donc, le reboot canon ne peut pas être canon avec le principal canon. Et tout ce qui s'est passé ne peut plus être canon My first explication cannot exist while the principal canon new, aka the reboot canon. So yeah. Now let's continue. And why we don't know what the crossover A canon is canon, what the principal canon? Because it's the same character but not the same world. So yeah, we can know this. On ne sait pas s'ils se connaissent exactement. Par exemple, ils ne se font pas de clin d'œil, ils ne se font pas de référence. We have no Easter egg in this canon. So yeah, we can know this is canon. Yeah. And voila, I finished my explication. And thank you for watching. And wait! And for the alternative mode of Kirby, you know it? No? Alright, the alternative mode of Kirby. What is canon? For sure, I don't know. But these events can exist. For example, in Kirby Fun Pack, we defeat Max and he's probably dead. Maybe not. In Kirby Superstar Ultra, we can see Max dead in the space and we fight this guy in Max Soul ou Max Ultra en français. And this character is the same guy. But in the true ending of Kirby Superstar, Kirby Return to Dreamland and Kirby Triple Deluxe, we can see Max and in Kirby Star Allies it's a dream friend. This is canon, for sure. I don't know, because we defeat Max Soul and Max is dead. But Max is not dead. Max is still alive. And these events can exist. I don't know. But for sure, yeah, these events can exist. The Metal Nightmare exists. The DDD's alternative world, alternative mode in Kirby Triple Deluxe exists. Metal Nightmare Return exists. Everything exists in the same world, in the principal canon. But the true arena is canon. I don't know. Et je sais même pas si tout ce qui se passe dans la véritable arène est canon. Everything exists in the same world, but this is canon. I don't know. This is very hard. Mais attendons la vie de Meteors pour ça. Et on en reviendra plus tard. But probably, yeah, everything is canon in the alternative Kirby's mode. For example, everything is happened in Metal Nightmare Returns is probably canon. Because Galactonite reappear 3 times. One time in Kirby Superstar Ultra, second time in Kirby Return to Dreamland, last time in Kirby Star Allies, but before in Kirby Planet Robot. And this is canon? Maybe yes, because in the true arena we can see Galactonite in this crystal. And in Metal Return we defeat Galactonite and it's back in a crystal. A giant crystal, galactic crystal, I don't know. But this is probably canon. Thank you for watching. See you next time. CD out.